Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. So, another day I'm in bed, but I just want to get these boxes out to you. So, just please forgive my tone. I do not feel good. I literally doing this want to cry, but I'm not going to. I'm going to share the word with you, and then I'm going to show you my Ipsy boxes. So today I am reading to you from Ephesians 4, and we're reading 17 through 24. And the word says, "This I say, therefore, and testify in the Lord, that you should no longer walk as the rest of the Gentiles walk, in the futility of their mind, having their understanding darkened, being alienated from the life of God, because of the ignorance that is in them, because of the blindness of their hearts, who, being past feeling, have given themselves over to lewdness, to work all uncleanness with greediness. But you have not so learned Christ. If indeed you have heard him and have been taught by him, as the truth is in Jesus, that you put off concerning your former conduct the old man, which grows corrupt according to the deceitful lusts, and be renewed in the spirit of your mind, that you put on the new man, which was created according to God in true righteousness and holiness." You know, a lot of people believe that they can just live however they want and call themselves a Christian, and they are deceived. I did not write this. I am simply sharing it with you. But if you want to understand what God expects from you in this day and in this time, in this hour, you have to pick this up and read it for yourself. And if you don't understand it, you need to get yourself into a church and let somebody teach you properly. But you just can't call yourselves a Christian and live in total filth at one time, and then in the next breath, but oh, I'm going to pray for you, sister. You cannot live like you used to live before you served the Lord and call yourself a Christian. It says we have to put off the former conduct, the old man which grew corrupt according to deceitful lusts. We have to put it off. It's a choice. We have to choose it. And I am going to be teaching more on this right now because I feel like it's the Lord, the way that the Lord is telling me to go. And I can only show you so much about safe people without getting copyright strikes for sharing that book. You need to get it, and the most important thing is not read it thinking, oh, I know this person, I know that person. The is to look at yourself, at your own heart, and say, am I a safe person? Am I living according to the word and according to the truth, or am I living in sin and then calling myself a Christian and really the biggest hypocrite of them all? Look, you guys, I didn't write this. I just choose to live by it and believe it, and am called to share it. But we must be renewed in the spirit of our mind, it says. And the way we do that is by reading his word and allowing Jesus through his word and the Holy Spirit through his word to renew your way of thinking. This is the only way that will ever happen for you. So with that said, I'm going to make this, I'm making it short because I don't feel good. This is my box that comes in my name, And then this box is the one that comes to my middle name. It is a different account. So I will show you my box first. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And I got the 2 lip liners. The colors are Lust and Media. Boy, they're not easy to get out of here. This one is Media. It looks like a very pretty pink. Yeah, it's more pink than I think it's looking. Yeah, I guess that looks pretty true. Super soft. Very, very soft. I wasn't, honestly, when I saw them, thrilled about getting lip liners, and the colors were just not according to my profile. Considering this is my profile, this is a red color. It's really kind of little bit more of a berry color, so I don't mind it that much, but it's really simply not colors that would be according to my profile, but these are so creamy and so soft, so I really do like them. I'm actually pretty happy to get something different in my box, and I think it's very generous of Ipsy to give us 2 instead of just 1 lip liner. I honestly think that's amazing, and these are valued at $21 each. I wouldn't pay that for a lip liner. The only one I do is one color that I love that I have not been able to match, and that's Mocha by Estee Lauder. It's the Mocha Rider. It is the but I pay that for that one, but that's the only one I'll pay that for because it's my absolute favorite lip liner ever. The next thing I got is the Wander Beauty. I'm not going to open this one because my other one is open. I got this in both palette, in both boxes. I did open the other box, so I will show you the palette there because I don't want to open both because obviously one is going to get given away or sold. So, since I have to. But this is what the palette looks like, and I have to tell you, it's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful oil. And that fits because they look like foils. They are so extremely creamy. I mean, wow, it's beyond. And it comes off your finger. It does not stick to your finger. The blue is just beyond beautiful. And look at how much comes off your finger. I wasn't super thrilled about it when I saw it because I'd really love Ipsy to give us a nice big generous palette in one of these boxes, but honestly, this thing is beautiful and creamy and I love it. Love, love. This is honestly one box that I almost love every single thing in it. The next thing I got is the Murad Retinol Youth Eye Renewal Serum, which I was talking to you guys in my other video about the 30 days of Murad. So I knew I had an eye serum, but I didn't know it was in my Ipsy box. I just didn't remember that. But I am just so thankful to get this in my Ipsy box because this is pretty amazing. It is an extremely large size of eye cream. The packaging is spectacular. I love it. I love Murad products, and I couldn't be more thankful to get that. The next item I got is the Face Hero Powerful Protective Face Oil, and I love face oils. You guys know that. I absolutely am very, very thankful to get this. I did try it out last night on my hands, and it is like, oh my gosh, it's really, really nice feeling. It just, it has a really lovely scent to it. It's not too much. It is not too little. It just makes your hands I mean, it just makes everything. I use my face oils on my hands with my face every night because your hands really show your age and tend to get age spots too. So ladies, always remember, especially you young gals, that you need to do your brightening creams and everything on your hands because people rarely ever put sunscreen on their hands as well, and you get sunspots and everything on your hands. But I am so excited to get this, and I really love the way this feels. I think that this is, again, another one of my favorite boxes that I have gotten. The last thing I got is the Il Makiage mascara. I'm not super thrilled about this. I did get a mascara in both boxes. The wand looks, I kind of like it because it's thinner. It's along the shape of a Too Faced wand, but thinner. I like that, but I have on my account rarely to send mascaras on both of my accounts, and both boxes sent a mascara. So that kind of bums me out, but I'm not hating it because I mean, I'll try it if I love the brush. And honestly, I just have a feeling that this brush is gonna, the minute I opened it and saw it, I thought lower lashes, and I just believe it's the Lord. I just know that this is gonna work on my lower lashes, and the other one will be for my top lashes, or it was vice versa, one of the two. But I did get a couple add-ons. I got this little um, brush by Chic. I got the Naked Cosmetics purple loose setting powder, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then I got the Cover Shot palette, which I don't own. And I thought for that price, I was not going to pass it up. So I absolutely love this box. I will tell you the prices right now. The Murad Youth Renewal Eye Serum is $85. I'm so grateful. If anybody does not want it, feel free to, I'll trade you, absolutely, because if you don't like Murad, I absolutely love Murad. The Wander Beauty Wondrous Palette is $25. The face oil is $34. As you know, the lip pencils are $21 each, and then the mascara is valued at $25. So that is like an amazing, amazing box. Amazing box. In my next box, I did, of course, get the Wondrous palette. You guys know that. So that's the first thing. Beautiful. That's going to end up going in the giveaway, or I'm going to sell it. I don't know. I, again, got the Face Hero oil. I was truly hoping to get the Murad again because it's such an expensive product, but I did not get that. I am a little bit bummed about it, but I'm not, it's not like a deal breaker. You know what I mean? I got the Yensa Tone Up Primer, which this is sometimes on my profile. So, because this is my faux profile. I am going to try this because it's colored. So, I'm going to see how this does at evening out my skin tone to see if it's like super duper thin, but I am going to give it a try. I don't know why, because I keep saying I'm never going to try another primer, but I just maybe hope because it is a toning primer and it has properties good for your skin that maybe this might be different than those ones that go on like silicone. I also got the Il Makiage mascara in a different one. This is the High Volume Curl Mascara. It's a very beautiful bottle, and I love the wand. I absolutely love the hard bristle wands. Those are my all-time favorite wands. They work the best on lashes, on faux lashes, so I love that. I got, my last item is the Nudies Glow thing, and I got it in light 3, which I don't even understand because my profile is for light skin. This is very dark for like I just I don't get it. I don't get it's a tinted blur stick. Um, Anybody want to trade for some Murad or something else in the box? I will trade you absolutely. And to me, look, to me, when you get products like this, you know, it's like, I know that product is $85, but we're all paying the same price for these boxes. So item for item is fair when you get 5 items. I mean, reality, it's just the way it is. But I did get some add-ons. I got the Avene. This, I wasn't going to do add-ons, but since it's my birthday month, I was allowed to do this. So I got the Avene Mask Hydrant Soothing Moisture Mask. And I'm not sure if you, yeah, I think you put this on. It's so weird that, yeah, you leave it on, you put it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just remove the excess with a cotton pad. And then finish by spraying a fine mist of Avene Thermal Spring Water. Well, at least that's what they say. But I wanted to try it because my skin is extremely dry, and since I didn't get it in my box, I got it. But now I'm kind of bummed because my daughter ended up getting it, didn't want it, and I wish I wouldn't have got it as an add-on because I could have traded her something. But I got the Pixi H2O Skin Drink as an add-on for $3, and I did this for my 30 days of skincare because Pixi is one of the brands I want to try. And then I got the Kale and Green Tea Spinach and Vitamins Cleanser, which, youth to the people, you guys know I love this brand. I use this cleanser and I absolutely love it. This is what the bottle looks like. So honestly, I think they're pretty good boxes this month. I'm not crazy about this, and to me this does not fit the profile either. Um, the fact that I have rarely send these and they sent this, and that sometimes, you know, look, I'm just telling you guys the way the profile's set up and how it is, but I'm honestly happy with the boxes that I got. So I just wanted to show them to you guys, and I hope you guys are having a better week than I am. And I just hope that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. I love you guys. Bye.